Good day mga Kabayan Techers! Welcome back. This is the Kabayan Tech, the iPhone 8 screen replacement.
Welcome. 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 Welcome.
The things that we need for this repair is the flat metal screen opener, ESD13 pick, black stick, a Y, pentalobe, and also the screwdriver, 40mm po lahat sila. We're going to use the JCV1S of the phone itself, the replacement phone with the screen adhesive. Ito sa main phone po natin, the screen is accessible, so we could copy True Tone and transfer it directly from the phone going to the screen. Just to let you see na meron pong True Tone itong phone, papansin niyo may option po siya dito na that says True Tone. Yun po. Let's begin the repair. Do the copying of the True Tone from the original screen to the new screen. Just click on the link, a separate video that is on the Troubleshooting Thursday. So watch nyo na lang po yun. So after we do the True Tone transfer, make sure that you are wearing an ESD strap and let's begin. We took out the security screws. Then I turn off the phone if possible. Then I use the metal pry tool to open up the screen. And then put your pick. On this side, be careful, the connecting cables are on the side. And this open up going to your right. Next thing that we remove is the battery cover and also the camera cover. Using the screwdriver, make sure kung saan yung tinanggal yung mga screws, they go on the same way. And then I take out the battery connector. The battery connector for the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus is the second connector from the bottom. Ito po. I use the pointed stick. There are 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. We take out all the screw. We are using the screwdriver. Using the flat edge of the black stick, I remove the camera connector. Clean out the sides of the adhesives. We're going to remove the home button. I already transferred the camera module. It's the same as the others. Put the adhesives on the phone. So we have everything back. We have the home button and then we have the camera on the top. Okay, so let's do the assembly. Put back the battery just to test before I close everything up. So malalaman nyo po kung na-broke nyo po yung Touch ID nyo, may lalabas po dito sa screen na unable to activate Touch ID. So the first thing that we're going to test, balik po tayo sa settings, display and brightness. Papansin nyo, meron po siyang True Tone. So we successfully transferred it using the JCV1S. Let's do the touch. It goes back. I go back again to settings and try nyo lang mag-set up ng Touch ID. Pag nagre-read na po siyang ganyan, you could just cancel it. Test is the camera, the rear, and then we're also going to do the front. Turn this one off again. Okay, and then we're going to put back all the covers and screws. To remove again the battery, first thing that we're going to put back is the camera cover. Next one is we're going to put back the battery and then put the battery cover. To remove the adhesives on the phone, either using a ESD13 or a black stick, depende po kung saan kayo mas comfortable. Top edge first, and then make sure na nakatuck po yung cable na yon. We push it a little bit by a black stick, and then we push the bottom, and then saka natin isasara yung middle. and then you put back the security screws. And there you go. So this is an iPhone 8 screen replacement, mga kabayan techers. Again, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And also hit the bell para malaman nyo if we have fresh new contents. Again, this is the Kabayan Tech. Thank you very much and have a good day.